In computer, second chapter is Introduction to Windows Explorer. So what is Windows? Windows is the most popular operating system developed by Microsoft. So what is an operating system? An operating system is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. The most commonly used operating system is Microsoft Windows. So, in this chapter, we will learn how to work with files and folders using Windows Explorer. Before that, I hope all of you know the difference between software and hardware. What is the difference between hardware and software? Hardware means it is a physical part of a computer that can be seen and touched. What is hardware? It is a physical part of a computer that we can see and touch. Software, it is a collection of programs. What is software? It is a collection of programs. Software cannot be touched. So here are some examples for hardware and software. So all these parts, monitor, keyboard, mouse, we can see it and also we can touch. So all these are what? Hardwares. And different types of softwares like MS Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Google Chrome, Adobe Shop, all these are softwares. Next is Windows Explorer. In this chapter, we will learn how to work with files and folders using Windows Explorer. These are the icons used for Windows Explorer. So what is Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is a file manager application that is included with the release of Microsoft operating systems from Windows 95 onwards. It provides a graphical user interface for accessing file system. Windows Explorer is also known as File Explorer or Explorer. So, do you know the difference between a file and a folder? Yes, a file is an object on a computer that stores data, information, or program. A file is an object on a computer that stores data, information, or program. Each file is served with a file name and its type. Next, folder. A folder is a special type of file in your computer which contain other files and folders. A folder can contain different types of files. For example, we can save the images, videos, Word documents in the same folder. In the case of file, suppose you are taking a logo file of school, we will save it as schoollogo.jpg. That is JPEG because images are saving as JPEG. It is school logo, so we are saving it in JPEG. School logo JPG. Here school logo is the name and JPG is the type. In these images you can see top it is given custom office templates, notes, resumes, scanned docs and all. So all these like one open book like symbol is given there. So all these are what folders. And here down birthday invoice, budgets, cover letters, taxes. All this one sheet is given. These are files. So if you consider one book, that book is what? Folder. And each page in that book is file. So this is the difference between a file and folder. File means it contains data, information and programs. Then in the case of folder, it is a collection of file.